Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like skincare, makeup, fragrance, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna talk about some skincare products that I want to go ahead and use up in 2023, preferably way before the end of 2023. Like, these really need to go ahead and get out the door. Not because all of them I don't like, some of them I really like, but I'm just kind of almost done with them. So let's get into it. We're gonna start with cleansing balms. The first one is this one by One Size. So this is the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. So I have a love-hate relationship with this. It's when you spray it on, it's like spraying oil sheen on your face, okay? And I really do like how it dissolves my makeup. Like, it really does. It breaks down my mascara and all of that stuff real good. Makeup just kind of melts off. But I don't like that it doesn't turn into a milky cleanser. I don't like that. Like, I want it to turn into a milky cleanser and actually be a first cleanse and not just like a makeup remover. You know what I mean? So, and then when you do rinse it off, like rinse the makeup off your face, it's still oily. So you still need to go in with a deep cleanser. You know what I'm saying? Which is what I would do anyway. I don't like how your face still feels oily after you use this. So yeah, that's our love-hate relationship. So I think I'm almost done with it. I'm gonna finish it up, but I wouldn't repurchase it. This one by Coco Kind. This is the oil to milk cleanser. I heard a lot of people like this, but I don't. So it's like that thick texture, kind of like Vaseline, but a little smoother than Vaseline. So when you rub it in, it's like a really thick balm. It's not a creamy balm like what I like. You know what I'm saying? It does turn into a milky cleanser, but it's like so watery. Like, you really don't feel like it's a first cleanse. You know what it just doesn't. It does not remove waterproof makeup good at all. So this is just something that I'm going to use up just on days where I don't wear makeup, which is most days anyway. So I should be able to use this up really quick, but this isn't something I will recommend or purchase. Let's get into some cleansers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cleansers here. If y'all want to see like my skincare collection, let me know, because ooh, I have a plethora of stuff. So, but these 6 are ones I kind of want to go ahead and use up and get them out of my collection. So the first one is by Urban Skin RX. This is their Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. Now, what I can say about Urban Skin RX is that their cleansing bars are good. They are good. They are nice and deep cleansing, and I do like them. I just, the whole getting the sponge and rubbing it in, and then like, I don't know, it's just not what I want to do. You know what I mean? I want to go ahead and pump it or squeeze it into my fingers and just use it. You know what I mean? I don't normally use anything like a sponge or washcloth or anything to wash my face. So picking this up and going to get and using the sponge to wash my face is just, it's just not something I do. So I always skip over this. I don't hardly ever use it. So I'm gonna put it somewhere where I can try to remember to go ahead and use it up, or I might even give it to my man and let him use it up. So I don't know. Next is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. It has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. This probably is a good cleanser. I've used it like maybe 3 or 4 times, but it's just something I just don't reach for. I have other cleansers that have salicylic acid or, you know, actives in it that I reach for before I reach for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one up. Next is this one by Mamonde. I've had this for so long. This is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. So it's supposed to be an oil to foam, so you're supposed to be able to put it on and rub it in like an oil cleanser, and then, you know, apply water, and then it's supposed to turn into a foaming cleanser. Yeah, it's a no, because when you put this on, say you're trying to break down your makeup or sunscreen, like, and you know you need to use a cleansing balm or cleansing oil to, you know, rub on your eyes to remove your makeup. Well, this will burn your eyes. So that's one thing, and it's just not even a good oil cleanser. You know, it's okay for days you're not wearing makeup, but for other days it's like, no. So when I do use it, I don't even like to use the oil part anymore. I'll just use it as a regular cleanser, like a morning thing, because it's super gentle. So yeah, I would not repurchase this. The Low pH Good Morning Cleanser from CosRX. I love this. I've been using it for years. I'm actually almost done with this, so that's why this is in the video, because I'm almost done with it. I would absolutely repurchase this. Is a great morning cleanser, great gentle cleanser, and I will always have this in my stash. The Whipped Greens Oil Free Foaming Cleanser by Pharmacy. This is actually not a bad cleanser. I like it. I like how foamy and thick it is. It's a decent cleanser, but I just always skip over it. It has a greens type of smell, like I don't know what it smells like, but it has moringa and papaya in it, so I don't know if that's what I'm smelling. The smell isn't bad or anything, but it's just, I don't know, it's just a cleanser that I don't reach for. There's nothing wrong with it. I think it's a really nice gentle cleanser, and it's oil free if you looking for an oil free cleanser, but I just always skip over it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this up. And then last for cleansers is this Centella and green tea cleanser by Selfless by Hyrum. I actually do like this. I think this is a good cleanser. I'm over halfway done with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this up. Would I repurchase it? I don't know about that. I have a lot of gentle gel cleansers that I like and that I reach for more than this one, but I think this is a good gentle gel morning cleanser. This says you can use it day or night. I personally don't think it's good for nighttime. I think it's so gentle that it's better for me for morning time. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this up, but it's definitely not a bad cleanser. I have a couple of masks I want to go ahead and use up. So first is this one by Origins. This is their retexturizing mask with rose clay. I do like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it up because I'm almost done with it anyway. I like this. I like the rose like feeling and smell and all of that, and it does have some kind of little bits in it to where, you know, when you're rubbing it in on your skin before you just let it sit on your skin, it feels like it is exfoliating the skin. So it does help with, you know, smoothing the surface of your skin, and I do like this one. I would repurchase, and I do, like I said, I like this one, so it's only in this video because I want to use it up. But this one is also by Origins, and this is the active charcoal mask, the Clear Improvement active charcoal mask, and I don't really care for this one. It looks like I'm about halfway done with it, but this is just an okay charcoal mask. It's not something that after I use it I feel like my skin is more clarified or anything like that. It just feels okay. So yeah, this is one that I would not repurchase. And then the last mask is this Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and this is just that. This is an intensive exfoliating treatment. I think you only leave it on for 2 minutes, so this is something you put on and it's going to exfoliate you chemically real quick, and then you're going to take it off. The only reason why I'm going to use this one up is because I already have a backup of it, so I need to go ahead and use this up. But I don't think this is for people with sensitive skin at all. This is not for people who are new to actives. This is for the girls that have iron skin like me. Let's get into some toners. Okay, for toners, this one by The Ordinary, the glycolic acid 7%. I need to go ahead and use this up. I have a corner left, and this is absolutely a staple in my collection. I can use this on my skin, but I don't use it on my skin as much anymore because I have so many toners that have actives and acids in it. But this is still a really good toner. I still do use it on my face, but just not as much. I mostly use this on my body, under my arms and my bikini area, to keep that all nice, light, and bright, and that's what I use it for mostly. But when I use it on my skin loves it. My glycolic acid is just great for my skin, so this will always be in my collection. Next is my rice toner from I'm From, and holy grail, will always be in my collection. Only reason why it's in this video is because I'm like almost done with it, and I will always have this in my collection. It's just so good. It's so good for brightening the skin, hyperpigmentation, just keeping your skin looking clear and flawless and all of that good stuff. Of course, nobody's skin is perfect, but this will help you with nice clear skin, clearing up the hyperpigmentation and brightening the skin. So I absolutely love this, and I think it works very well when you're doing your vitamin C and your sunscreen and all of that. Like, this is a great toner for hyperpigmentation. So next I want to use up this toner from Fresh. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Toner, and this is okay. This is a decent hydrating toner, but it's not the most hydrating toner out there. It's okay. I've had it so long that it's like, girl, go ahead and use it up. I think I got it back when it was like super hyped and everybody was like, oh, it's the moisture of all moisture, the hydration of all hydration. And it's not. It's cute and it has decent moisture, but it's not that girl. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this up, and I don't think I'll repurchase it because I have other toners that are way more moisturizing than this. Last toner is from Murad. This is their hydrating toner, and love that it is in a spray bottle. Like, so many more toners should come in a spray bottle because I don't even want to put it on my hands and put it on my face. I don't want to put it in a cotton ball no more. I just want to spray it on. So it's not, you know, it's getting all on my face, you know what I mean? So I love that, but I don't like the toner. I don't. It's not super hydrating like it says, and it kind of smells like nail polish remover, and it always has. I guess it's supposed to smell like, got a little bit of berries, like what are some berries like this color in it. But yeah, it smells like berries and nail polish remover. So I don't reach for it. I don't want to reach for it. It's okay as far as hydration, but it's just not super hydrating, and then the smell makes me not want to grab it often, but love that it's in a spray bottle. So yeah, I only have one essence that I want to go ahead and use up, and that is this one by Neogen, and this is the How Glow Rose Essence Pads. I absolutely love these. This is my second pack of these. You get so many in here that it takes forever to use them up. When you use these, oh my gosh, y'all, your skin, the glow on your skin is just so beautiful. Your skin is so hydrated and moisturized. Like, I absolutely love these. Now I know you're like, well, why you want to use them up? I think the pads are now discontinued. It's so hard for me to find the pads, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and use these up. But I have this in a liquid form. So now they make it in a liquid form, and this is the one that I have, and so I'm trying to use these up so I can get to this, because this is just like, you know, what's on the pads in here. So this is so good. Highly recommend. So I highly recommend this. So I'll have it linked, of course. Let's get into some serums. This one is by Ren Clean Skin, and this is the Glow and Protect Serum. This was actually sent to me in PR, and I just never reached for it. So if you guys have this, use this, love this, tell me more. Tell me more. Make me want to use it if it's good. If it ain't, I'm gonna use it up, but I'm just, you know, not just particularly reaching for it. So most of these products are going to go in a certain section so that I can know to reach for them on days I feel like I need to use stuff up. But yeah, this is going to be on there, and I've used it a couple times, but I wasn't like fascinated or anything. It just, I don't know, it just didn't give me anything that made me want to keep grabbing it. I guess I just have other stuff that I like better. Next is my Snail Mucin, my holy grail, my baby, and only reason why she's in here because you see how much I have left. Do I have a backup? Of course I do. Like, girl, of course I do. This is fire. This is the moisture of all moisture. I absolutely love this product. I've been using it for years and years and years. It was viral before viral was even a thing. This was viral before TikTok was even a thing. So I know a lot of y'all learned about it on TikTok. I know a lot of y'all learned it from me, that this is so fire, and it is. So I've been using this for about 5 years now, or probably even longer, maybe 6, and it's just so good. So good. So yeah, of course I definitely have a backup of that. So I want to use up this Skin Lifting Booster by City Beauty. There are so many City Beauty products that I absolutely love. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway with them on Instagram, but I've done a couple videos with them on YouTube, and I'll link that down in the description box for you. But City Beauty has some really good products, but this right here is not one of my favorites. So this is a skin lifting booster, and it's like a serum that you're supposed to mix into your other serums or moisturizer or something like that. And it's like, when I'm doing my skincare routine, I just don't think about that. I just don't think about this. And when I did use it and use it a few times, it was cute, but I just don't reach for it. So it's just okay. It's something that kind of gets forgotten about. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this up and be done with it, because I have so many products from that brand that I like, and this is just like Next is my Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. Absolutely love this. This is my baby. This is for daytime, specifically for daytime, and it says that on here that this is for daytime. This will have your face so hydrated you feel like you don't even need to put a moisturizer on, girl. It's so good. The moisture is there, the hydration is there. It's called hydration juice for a reason. It's so freaking good. So highly recommend this. Let's get into some moisturizers. This is by Murad, and this is the Rapid Collagen Infusion, and I'm actually almost done with this. Like up here, I don't really like it. I don't feel like it really does anything. It just gives me nothing, you know what I mean? And it's probably doing something, but I just don't see it. I just don't see it. And it has a funny smell, but I have had it for a while, so it's just time for it to go. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use this up. It's only a little bit left, and just probably mix it in with another moisturizer just to go ahead and use it up. This is by Burst. This is the Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. I do actually like this. This is almost gone, so that's why this is in here. This is something that I reach for mostly in the hot weather, summertime, spring, something like that, because it's a gel cleanser, gel moisturizer, my bad. And it's just so lightweight, and it's nice. It gives you a nice moisturizing feeling. It's affordable. So yeah, I have a discount code for Burst if you like Burst products. This is a good moisturizer if you're like an oily skin girl, you don't really like heavy creams and stuff on your face. This is pretty good. This is the multi-action sculpting cream by City Beauty. This is actually one of my favorite products from them, and it's literally almost gone. I have a corner left, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this up. It's really kind of thick when inside the jar, but once you start putting it on your skin, it just melts into your skin. So I really love this formula. The texture of it is kind of different because it's so thick when you put it on, but it melts. So I like that, and this is just really a really good moisturizer. So I'm going to finish that up, and I already have a backup of this as well. And last but not least, this retinol and rainbow algae repair serum by Selfless by Hydrating. I did like this. This is a serum type of retinol, and I think that it's good for people that are just getting started with retinol. So my skin is kind of used to retinol, so I like something a little stronger, a little heavier. But for somebody that is just starting out with retinol or looking for something that's a little more gentle to get them started, then I do think this is a good retinol serum. So those are my skincare project pans for the first quarter of 2023. I feel like we're going to be doing this like every quarter because I want to get these out and go through my collection again and decide, you know, what else needs to get in the lineup to go ahead and get the hell on. Okay, so like I said, if you want to see my skincare collection, if there's any other type of skincare videos that you guys want to see, definitely let me know down in the comments, because I would definitely want to get out skincare videos that you guys like, because I love skincare, love to do skincare videos, and I'm gonna be doing skincare videos, so you might as well tell me what you want to see. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.